30 years. We supply packaging film flow and any types of the packaging bags for different products. Today we are going to talk about one of our main products, the coffee bag. For the packaging of coffee, we also have different bag types to choose from. First, there is the inner packaging film, which is used for coffee powder. This product is used on automatic packaging machine to enhance product efficiency. For the outer packaging or the direct packaging of coffee powder or coffee bean, self-standing bags can be used. As shown in our video, these bags can stand upright, which is convenient for displaying and storing the products during sales. If you want to directly packaging coffee beans, you can also choose this kind of bag. It is made of pure aluminum and can better store coffee beans while maintaining their quality. There are many different types of our products. The next video will show you. Thank you for watching.